Welcome to Lotus Student Mentor channel. In this session we are going to study as a output formatting in Python as a part 3. Here we are going to study advanced usage with positional and named parameters. What is the meaning here? Advanced usage, positional and named parameters. We are going to use two things. One is positional and named position, another one is named arguments. What is the mixing positional and named arguments? The point is that dot format method only, it is also dot format method, but what we are going to do is, suppose we are giving the variable named arguments. What is the positional? The position is the template equal to number one portal is, that in curly brace 0 comma in curly brace 1 and curly brace other. 0, 1 and are indexes and other also considered as index. We are going to print here, going to assign in dot format. What is the dot format method syntax? String dot, that is called template dot here. The format value 1, value 2 and so on. What is the value 1 here? 0, that is Lotus. In the place of 1, specifier 1 is what? For, will be placed in the specifier 1. And other, what is that? Other is student mentor, will be placed in the specifier other. That is the print template. The next one is that what will become output? Output becomes, what is the output here? The output is number one portal is Lotus for student mentor. That is becomes the output. We will see I'm going to demonstrate practically. In demonstration you can understand better. The next, format integers and floats with a specified width and precision. Already studied in previous videos. What is that here? Again, Lotus 0 indicates first that is 0 index. 2D, what is the 2D? 2D means 2 spaces decimal numbers, that is 2 spaces 2D for decimal. Then here index 1 mentor, that is 8.2f, total 8 spaces dot including decimal spaces. 2f means after formatting 2 float numbers, that is 0. What is 0.55 will be printed. In this 0, what is here? That is called 11 will be. Next one, demonstrate order swapping and formatting position. What is it? Demonstrating order swapping? The first argument becomes second one becomes first. Now what is the second that second argument is 1. This is called index 1. What is index 1? Here it is 45.42. The 45.42, the second argument is 1 dot, the 3D. What is the first one here? Format 45.42. We will see here. The first one is 0. What is the first one is 0.0. What is the 0? Here, very important. One index is, which one is index here? 45.42 or 11? 11 is the index 1. This 45.42 index is 0. So, where is the 0 index here? 0 index here. That is 45.42, 45.2f. 42 will be printed here. That means the second argument equal to is 11. First one is 45.42. That will be the output. The next case is that using named arguments for clarity in complex formats. What is the clarity? Here we use A and P. A and P are named arguments. Understanding? A and P are named arguments. We are addressing the integers and float number with the named arguments. What is the named argument? Lotus A. What is that? A is 463 and the channel, what is 69.05, because after decimal 2f is there. Now let us demonstrate practically this position named arguments. I hope this is the position named argument. What is the position named argument here? Lotus student. Let us execute. This is what completely I had taken from that dot format, yes, and other student template dot format OTH here. Let us see, control as F. Now you see number one portal is Lotus student mentor for students. Next, Lotus 12 mentor is 0.55. Why this much space came? Why? Because the reason is that, why here it is 8 decimals, we have given 8 spaces. That's why it went. How many total spaces should be here? Only single one. But it is total how many other? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces it took gap. That's why 8. Suppose if we give the spaces are 4, 4.2f, the spaces will be reduced. What is that here? You can see now 0.55 s space is reduced. If you can understand here, Lotus 12 Mentor, I changed here 0.55. You see before one, how much space gap? Now here, how much space gap? Now in the case 47.42, the space is very high. Now we can minimize it. 41.42. What is the 41.42? Where it will be? That is 8 spaces here given. That is called zero index. No, 41.40 is zero index. You can give it as total spaces. That is the 4 space if you give 4.2f. Control S plus F. Now you can see 41.42. Here the space is more in comparison to here space because we reduce the space. So that is the meaning of understanding the modulus operators here. That whatever here in the 4.2f, no, in that instead of string modulo operator here, what is the space we are giving? 4.2f. Why should we give 4.2f? Why not? That is the meaning. What is the meaning is that this is the total spaces including after decimals. How much it is? Now if you give 42.1f, then what will be the output? 4. That is 47.4 will be printed. 47.4 because it is given 1f. Here it is 2f. Because of 2f you got 2 decimals. So this is the advanced usage with positional and named parameters. I hope you understood the concept of this positional and named parameters. Let us explain one more case study also in this session. What is the meaning of 0 colon here 2D? 0 indicates the first index, that's the first, that is 0 index, 1 indicates the first index. The 0 means the first value, first argument, 1 means second argument. That is the meaning of this characters here. That's what. The next named argument, what is A and P are? Named arguments are used for additional clarity and are referenced in the format string. The next last case is for formatting output of Python using string method. What is the meaning of string method? Here it is, we are going to use if you want left alignment, right alignment or in the center. That is the meaning of strings. Here the Python string methods are, there are 3. One is string str.center, next is left alignment, that is just left alignment, str.ljust, right alignment, str.rjust, R for right alignment, left justification, right justification. That is what string method formatting. So next, these methods are ideal for organizing textual data. So what is the next one? The example is that suppose CSTR is, what is the CSTR is? I love student mentor channel. This is a print center aligned will be printed. Under the print, this CSTR dot center 50. Center 50, this what is there? Hash mark is there. What is the hash here? What will be happen? The total 50 spaces will be there. In that 50 spaces, I love student mentor channel will be including I love student mentor channel. If you count total spaces, what is the one next second space is 1 LOVE, this 4, 1 plus 1 more between. Total if you count now, there are 29. This 29 letters will be printed and remaining will be balanced by this symbol, that is called a sharp symbol. That is what I am going to show you center aligned also practically. Next one is called left alignment. What is the left alignment? CSTR.ljust50. That ljust50 left alignment, after the left alignment total 50 no. In that 50 I love student mentor channel spaces occupied will be 29 spaces are required total, including this space also, gaps also. Now after the remaining will be, what is the symbol? This hyphen symbol will be there. The third case is the right alignment. In the right alignment, CSTR.rjust, the right alignment of I love student mentor channel, it will be right alignment. But before that, total 60 minus 29. This 29 will be occupied by I love student mentor channel, remaining will be symbol with this. So let us see how it is practically, this right alignment and left alignment. Yes, you can see it here. This I love student mentor channel, in this center aligned, yes, CSTR dot center 50 with this symbol. Now CSTR adjust, I took it as a star, you can use hyphen also, whatever symbol. Then as right alignment, CSTR dot adjust. Let us see Control S. Let us execute the output. What will be the output here? This is the output. Center aligned. I love student mentor channel in the middle. Now you see what is the meaning here? How many are there? 50 are there? No, 50. Then 50, in that total 50 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 29. As I told you, this total is 29. 21 plus 29. How much total? Because if you can count 29 or not. 1, 2, 3. These are 29 spaces. 29 plus 21. 21 plus 20, 50. That is what 50 spaces are here. These are 50 spaces. Okay, if you give 49, you can give 49. That means both the sides 20, both the sides 10, 10. In between this 29. Let us see what will happen here. Now you see, you can count the spaces here. 1, these are, how many are there? This side, these are 10. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that, if you count, it will come out total. The next is left align. Left align is printed. I love student mentor channel. Remaining thing will be. Next, similar right alignment. Total are there. Then like that. This is called about the string method. That's output formatting. Okay, using string method. What is the string method here? The string method is CSTR, that is center format. Next CSTR dot. Next CSTR dot adjust. I hope you understood the concept of output formatting is using various methods. Thank you for watching.